Thanks for all your help today, Mr. Mummy. Just for that, I'm going to give you an oracle card. Ooh. You got two. The lamp and hearth. Oh, hey guys. What's up? You're back. So I just wanted to share with you today what I like to do. Every day I try to go out and I take care of Mother Earth. I give back to her. And what I can do is I can pick up trash at local parks and around my neighborhood because people have stopped doing that. They've stopped taking care of everything outside. We just throw our trash out of our cars when we're in a rush. We don't want it bothering us, right? So we'll just throw it on the ground and it doesn't matter. She'll take care of it. Mother Earth will take care of it, right? And she shouldn't have to. That's wrong. And next time you're wondering why your life is going to, look outside and ask yourself, what have you done for the planet lately? What have you done for her lately? You want all this help when you're having a bad day. But what about her? What about her when she's having a poor day? We really need to help heal her. We can do better. We can all do better. We've all been slacking off and being careless because we're tired. We're tired because we're living in these old templates. Well, guys, it's time to build these new templates. It's time to build new earth, and it starts with us. It starts with us being better people. Thank you for joining me here, and let's take a little field trip. Even though it's Halloween night tonight and we're about to carve pumpkins, I still think it's important to get out and have fun and give back to the planet. And this is my cause, so come out here and join me on my cause. Thanks, guys. All right, so this is my cause. I like to come to the park, and if you've noticed, this is where children play and how dirty it is. And I'm sorry if you can hear someone's mowing their lawn in the background, but yes, it is gorgeous outside still this Halloween, and people are mowing their lawn. But see all this trash? Like, it's so disgusting. Oh look, guys, there's a feather. There's a white feather. There's a white feather. We're on the right path. So I like to give back. This is me giving back to the planet. All right, so I want to show you my technique for picking up stuff that's gross. I just pick up a couple of Mother Nature's leaves because we know, she's okay. And see, this is gross.
Whoa.
It's gross, you guys. Like, yeah. Oh my God, The Last Samurai.
Oh my God.
The Last
If that's
Samurai.
Not a message, I don't know what is.
The Last Samurai. Nathan, we're on the right path. Look, a feather. A white feather, you guys. We're on the right track. A message from Spirit.
What does it say?
That we need to be better. Oh, look, another feather. Even though I didn't put this garbage here, I'm gonna pick it up and throw it in the trash because it's disgusting. To heal Mother Earth, because this is wrong. What we're doing to the planet is wrong. And you guys, when your life's going to shit, look at what is going to shit around you. These are the parks.
Okay.
Now, after all that garbage pickup, you guys, we have to go have some fun. And then we're gonna go cover.
Mama, give me monster, right? Not a monster. Yeah, give me. I'm gonna go drop this fell down.
Because it's Halloween and I'm short on time, I usually like to prepare a beautiful meal of fresh vegetables and a side of some protein. I am a vegan myself personally. I love my animals. That's my choice. That's been on my spiritual path. So this is one of my alternatives. I love pizza. I'm a pizza girl. So this is vegan pizza. It's dairy and soy free. You can pick it up in your local supermarket, and it actually really tastes good. I love the garlic one too. I'm a fan of garlic, of course. And I put this in the oven and I cook this for my family. and we can all sit and enjoy it together, and I can feel good about myself. So now we can carve pumpkins while this is in the oven cooking away. Yum.
Have to wait.
Yeah, so do you want to add anything else to your pumpkin, or are you just gonna draw the eyes? What's the scoop here?
I wish I had my eyes on there.
Alright, and then you're gonna like...
Okay, I'm gonna start
I got my
carving.
eyeballs on my. And now the other ones. They're going. Trying that one. Oh, it's Shreddy Milk.
Yeah,
I
having a good time.
I
Found a
saw-
Oh my
peanut.
God.
Found a peanut.
I have to put
I
some.
ate it anyway. I don't know.
Found a
I go wash my
peanut.
hands.
Okay, this is the thing, pumpkin carving 101. If you don't chill out, you can't carve a pumpkin because these are dangerous utensils. So you
You're
time
gonna
to
get
check on the pizza. That pizza looks incredible. Now we'll just let that rest while we go and finish
Mommy,
carving
Mom.
our pumpkins.
helps a lot to have a big pizza cutter too. You can cut pizza at home better than they cut it at Domino's.
It's incredible. And you can doctor this up with whatever you want to put on it to strike your fancy. Get creative. That's what life's all about, right? Being creative. We have a lot of time on our hands that we should be using the energies instead of at the dark night of the soul crying in bed. Come and eat some pizza. Come and eat some of this pizza. It tastes really good. Take care.
Whoa.
Well, this was my Halloween bowl, but someone else got in here and put a whole bunch of candies in the bottom. Nobody likes bananas.
This is the lighting of the pumpkins.
My pumpkin's having problems. We need too many pumpkins.
Why is there garbage? Garbage on the front.
That's called spicy Milanos.
Yeah, we gotta throw that out. So, all right, garbage man, we gotta throw that inside in the recycling.
I have to put outside.
Yeah, the pumpkin.
It's been so much fun today spending Halloween with you. Thank you so much. I look forward to spending more time with you on my channel and speaking about the things that make the world so much of a better place. Thank you today. I'm gonna go have fun trick-or-treating now, everybody. Happy Halloween. Stay safe, everybody.
Bye. Let's go now, Mom.
Let's go, guys.
I'm gonna get my hand.